Hello and welcome to this lesson about an introduction to graphs of linear equations. The learning target for this video is connecting graphs and solutions to linear equations. So first, I want to start off by going over something that I would call or claim to be a core idea in math, and that is graphs are pictures of a solution. So pictures of solutions. So let's say, for example, consider this equation right here. X plus y is equal to 6. What could I put into x and y that can make this be 6? So an easy one would be something like 3 plus 3. There we go. Equals 6. I could also do 4 plus 2 equals 6. Or I could do 2 plus 4 equals 6. I also have 1 plus 5. And I think you're starting to see where this is going. Is I have a ton of options. And so the thing is, if I were to make these ordered pairs, like 3 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 5 or 1 comma 5, and 5 comma 1, I'm going to have a bunch of solutions. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 here. And then I also have 4, 2 there. That works. I have 2, 4 here. And I have 1, 5 right there. I've made a line. And this line represents all my equation or all my solutions. Because what I could do is I could start plucking other points on this line. And any of the points I get, and if I were to keep going in either direction, that represents a solution to my equation. So graphs are pictures of our solutions. Now, what I want to talk about here is how we connect equations, tables, and graphs and bring them all together. So let's say we have the equation y equals 2x minus 1. Well, if I want to, first of all, make a table, I want to show you how to make a table. I like to put 3 columns in my table. X and Y are going to be on the outside. And then in the middle, I'm going to take this part and drop it right there. 2x minus 1. That makes it really easy for me to see what's going to happen. And then I like to take a couple of values for x. So like negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. And so that makes it so I can see everything that we're going to do here. So I end up putting in negative 1. And so I have 2 times negative 1 minus 1. And I like that middle column because it lets me see my work. So I have negative 2 minus 1. That's negative 3. 2 times 0 minus 1. That's 0 minus 1, which is negative 1. 2 times 1, which is 2. Subtract 1 is 1. 2 times 2 minus 1. Well, that's 4 minus 1, which is 3. And so what I now have are a set of ordered pairs. So I've taken my equation up here and I've put it into a table, and now I have points. Negative 1, negative 3. 0, negative 1. 1, 1. And 2, 3. And now I can go plot this over here. So negative 1, negative 3, right about there. 0, negative 1. 1, 1. 2, 3. And I've now made an equation, or sorry, a graph of all the solutions for this equation. And what I can do now is continue this line, and I can take this point right here and be like, hey, this point 1, 2, 3, comma 5 is a solution. I have that option. I can do that. So that's just a real brief introduction to equations, tables, and graphs, and how these all come together to show you a solution and how we can kind of pick and choose different pieces.